So using pages from the Crayola website is really fun on an iPad. As you can see, I've navigated to the Crayola website and to the free coloring pages. And you can scroll on this and be able to browse different categories of the pages, or you can search. And I kind of like this one that they show at the top that says kind to the core. So I'm going to just search the word kind. When I do that, I'm presented with the image that I want. I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. And in order to bring it into my Tayasui Sketches School app, I'm just going to long press on the image. And then a menu shows up that says Share, Add to Photos, Copy, and Show Text. I could simply add to photos, but if I don't want to fill up my camera roll, and I want to be able to use this, I'm just going to use the word copy. Now that I have that copied to my clipboard, I'm going to go ahead and open Tayasui Sketches School. I'm going to open up my sketchbook, and I'm going to start a new sketch. From this point, you need to paste that image on. And the way that you do that in this app is I'm going to go to the three dots at the top of the page, choose the squareo, or the arrow with the inside the square that's facing down, and then choose the option of paste. Now at this point, we've pasted that image in, and now it says move, scale, and rotate. So I can use my two fingers and simply expand the image bigger, and I can put it anywhere I want to on the page. And I'll just put it right there in the middle. When I get it where I want, I can check mark. And now from this point, I'm free to be able to choose the colors that I want, and then I can color. So I can even zoom in now on this image, and it stays put, so it's like a background image, and now I can simply color on top of it. So this is a great way to utilize all those fun images online from the Crayola coloring website without even having to print them. Hope you enjoy using this app.